hopefuls, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel. I have a really small haul here, and I'm really just doing this haul because I want to share what's in the flyer for next week. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this video up probably before my other grocery hauls, so you guys can make sure you take advantage of those baking items that will be on sale next week or for the holidays coming up. Because sometimes I know most of my hauls, they'll be late. They're late, and then now they're even later because I want to put the prices up on my blog so you guys can go over there and look at the prices. They will vary per store, so they won't be the same price at every store. I even noticed that watching other people's hauls, they're cheaper. For some of the items are cheaper in our area that I've seen some of the hauls, so just keep that in mind. And then JJ's doing the trash over here, so if you hear a lot of rustling, go ahead, JJ. And yeah, so this one will go up before the other one, and then I want to put a meal plan, but I don't think really this will be a meal plan with this one because it's so small. So I was going to make some spaghetti for the family. I think I am going to record this, and the only reason why I haven't is because I might not record today, but I always make this record it because Cottrell made a comment, mama, you know, kids my age and JJ's age, or these kids coming up, they don't necessarily know how to do certain things, or they go to YouTube or Google everything. So also, I want my kids to be able to maybe watch my videos in the future, and they'll be like, oh, I want some spaghetti. Let me see how mama made it, even though it tastes a little different every time I do it. So they can reference it for themselves. So for my spaghetti, it varies, but I like to use the ground turkey, and this is the smaller one. This is 1.2 pounds, so it's like $3.49. And then I like to use the hot sausage, but you can use the sweet, that's good too. And the casing, I'll take it out of the casing, and I saw my mother-in-law do that one time, and I just love doing that. Plus it bulks up the meat here. You can use ground beef, but when we had to go to the food bank for many years, they gave me ground turkey a lot, and so I discovered one day that ground turkey was really good in spaghetti, more than I think turkey burgers or anything. That's just my opinion, but anyway. We always need milk, so we got some milk. I got some chicken. Right now, this bag of chicken is like $5.85. I think it's on a sale price, so that's pretty good for 3 pounds of chicken breast. I got some hot dogs. They kind of were burnt down to the hot dogs, but we had hot dogs the other night. These are like 3 Weight Watcher points, which was pretty good. Wait a minute, let me back up, y'all. No, it wasn't. That I went to Walmart. There was the Guatney chicken and pork, so I have to see how many points these are. But I usually like to boil the hot dogs or put them on the grill, but I ran out of gas on the grill, so these are great in the air fryer too. So I know this JJ just ate them up really quickly, so I said let me grab this for days I don't want to cook. And then, but I like the chicken hot dogs only, but at Aldi they're chicken and pork. Turkey is okay, but yeah. The center cut bacon is $3.79, and the tomato sauce is $1 for both of those. The chewy chocolate chip granolas are $1.39, and the Texas toast is $1.35. That will go with the spaghetti. JJ grabs these and take these granola bars to school. Sometimes I use diced tomatoes and sometimes I don't. So I only picked up 1 can today. I may have one already in there. The basil, garlic, and oregano diced tomatoes, and it was 45 cents. The crushed tomatoes, they are 79 to 69 cents. I don't quite remember. I already have a can already, so I didn't need any more. And the apple cider donuts, these are really good. I know the points is probably off the chain, but I wanted to get these one more time before they got rid of them because it's a seasonal favorite. These are $2.29. Jason didn't care for them. I think JJ didn't either. I can't remember Saya. Of course, he doesn't like too much stuff. So, yeah, if I get one of these, it's going to be one a day. And then I did want some banana nut bread. This was a little high for me. It was like JJ, make sure nothing crawling here. It was like $3.39, I believe, guys. And I just wanted some banana bread. I don't think I had none from them in a long time, so I don't know what it tastes like, but I'm sure it's pretty good because it wasn't that many left. That's my indication sometimes if something's good, how much is left on the shelf of that particular kind. The sweet and salty granola bars, the cashews, 130 or 129, and then the Parmesan and Romano cheese is $2.29. I got Josiah some 100% fruit juice. These are really good. I think I said in another haul. I think one day it was just cold and I tried it and I was like, oh, these are good. So these are $1.99. They were $1.49. I hope they lower them because I just think $1.99 is high. I'm just being cheap. Okay, guys, so I have been drinking my coffee because I haven't really been drinking. No, I haven't been drinking soda. I was drinking ginger ale. I bought them little mini cans, y'all, and I have kind of almost eliminated sugar out of my diet. Other than this, since we went to Charlotte and I had donut, what is that place called? Duck Donuts, and I have to totally get back on track. Anyway, and I can tell drinking the ginger ale, just those little cans, that the sugar rush has me like dragging and tired. So I've been drinking the coffee, the breakfast blend, and it's not strong enough. So when we went to Charlotte, I noticed when we stopped at the gas station, I needed some coffee, and I didn't realize, because I'm not a coffee drinker, that they have different strengths of the roast. And I kind of knew that, but I kind of didn't. And I kind of didn't like the bitterness of the donut store, or donut shop. But I need something stronger because I noticed that I said, well, maybe my coffee's not strong enough. It's not, the breakfast blend is not enough for me. So I need at least 2 of the medium roast. Okay, so some toaster tarts for the boys to take to lunch. I mean, for breakfast or to take out the door. This is $1.45, and then Jason's been doing good with his sandwich cookies. But we knew I was going to Aldi, so he was like, no, like that. And I was like, what is wrong with you? And he was like, because I want some cookies. And I was like, you have been around me too long because you're so dramatic. So he got his cookies, but he's been doing good because usually he was getting like a pack of cookies every other day or something. He burns it off like he worked out today. But anyway, yeah, but it's just too much sugar. But he did okay. Okay, guys, so the sneak peek for next week, which is October 16th on Wednesday. Okay, they are going to have a blender, and I have purchased a blender from Aldi before, but what I was making, I think the ooey gooey butter cake and some other stuff, it was really thick, and I eventually invested in a KitchenAid. But if you're not a baker, this will probably be great. You can also go online and check, like if they have different colors. I'm sure they have another color other than the red. So that's something that you can do. And it's going to be $59. Another thing that I always get when mine start looking cruddy is new cookie sheets. They used to be cheaper than $8.99. I think I remember them being, I want to say $3.99, y'all, one time, $5.99, and I would get, sometimes I get 2 at a time. I toss the other ones away, or I just get 1. So I don't need any this year. I think I've been using my toaster oven a whole lot in my air fryer, so I don't need any this year. I haven't purchased any of the silicone items, but I have looked at them before, so they're $4.99 I think each. I may have purchased some baking kits. There are different items that they have, but not recently. This is something I probably need here. And then I have purchased this roller pen because I needed one, always needed one, so that's a good price for a roller pen. I don't have a silicone baking mat, so this may be something that will be on my list. I thought I did. And of course I have a lot of or different of these Pyrex light dishes, the glass baking sets. That's a must for the holidays. I haven't tried the silicone mat, drying mat. And I do have some of these that I purchased a while back, and I still have them, and they're made a little bit different. I like the way these are made. So that's something if you bake a lot. This is a rack protector. So I don't know. I wouldn't need a rack protector. I have purchased their oven liner before, but I tossed it and I don't have one. And then these little puck likes, even though this is not baking, I did purchase these, I think last year. And these are really pretty under the cabinet. I showed it on my Instagram stories one time. The batteries don't last long at all. But I think somebody told me that. Don't last long at all. But I need to replace them. They have this under the sink caddy. And then the candles, I like their candles. I haven't purchased any in the mason jars, but I like them. And lastly, guys, a lot of things Aldi has that are great for gifts or for people. I know this will be great for my boys, and it's getting close to Christmas. This is an excellent price on the umbrella. Excuse you if you hear Josiah. Yeah, so you can go on their app, and you can go under that particular item and see what all the different patterns and colors that they have. But these, when they come out with these little goodies and these items here, these are really great. I think I bought some boots like this similar last year. They have different styles and stuff you can check on the app, but these are great for Christmas presents or presents for someone, and you can just put them away until Christmas. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye bye.